In this video, I am going to show you how to change your email address in your Paysera account. Open the Paysera app on your smartphone. If you don't have it, download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings by tapping the gear icon. In the settings or menu, find and select View My Profile option, which is typically under your profile name or avatar. Within your profile settings, look for an option that says Link Additional Email or something similar. This option allows you to add a new email address to your account. Enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Paysera account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll need it for verification. After entering your new email address and confirming, Paysera will send a 6-digit verification code to the email you've provided. Check your email inbox for this code, and then put the code into the designated field. Return to the Paysera app and enter the 6-digit code, and then confirm your new email address. Once the code is entered and verified, your Paysera account will be updated with the new email address. You receive confirmations and future communications at this email. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.